You've been woodworking for a while now, but your cuts still aren't clean. Your setups take forever, and every project feels harder than it should be. Here's the truth. It's not your skill, it's your tools. I'm ValueByte, and today we're covering 12 woodworking tools on Amazon that actually fix real problems in your shop. Stick around, number 7 genuinely surprised me. And hey, all these tools are linked in the description below. Easiest way to check prices without hunting around. Ever tried cutting a longboard alone at your miter saw? One end dips, the cut goes crooked, and a perfectly good piece of wood is ruined. It's not you, it's physics. This is the trend-adjustable miter saw roller stand, and it solves that problem completely. Ball-bearing roller lets your stock glide smooth without binding. Supports up to 140 pounds. Height adjusts in seconds to match your saw perfectly. Both hands stay on the saw where they belong, not holding up a board. If you're cutting long stock solo, this isn't a luxury. This is control you didn't know you were missing. Moving a 300-pound table saw across your shop shouldn't feel like a workout, but dragging heavy tools kills your time and your back. Meet the Bora Universal Mobile Base. Fits almost any shop tool, saw, workbench, you name it. 3-inch wheels glide smooth even under 400 pounds. Need it locked in place? Hit the steel foot levers. Solid. Done. And it barely adds an inch of height. Your shop stays organized. Your tools go where you need them. Stop fighting your equipment and start rolling it. How many half-used screwdriver sets do you have sitting in your drawer right now? 3? 4? None of them have the bit you actually need. This is the Saker 42-in-1 magnetic ratchet screwdriver set, and it replaces all of them. 42 bits, magnetic snap-in, 0 fumbling. Ratchet handle switches forward, reverse, or locks in one click. Building furniture, assembling a cabinet, fixing something around the house. One handle, swap the bit, keep going. S2 steel strength. Comes in a clean, compact case. If you do any kind of DIY work, this is the only screwdriver you actually need in your shop. What if you could run a full woodworking project on your workbench, without a dedicated workshop? This tiny table saw makes that happen. Cut wood, plastic, even aluminum tubing. Swap the blade and you're set. Dual 795 motors give you real power with surprisingly low noise. Blade height adjusts easily. Tilts from 0 to 90 degrees for clean bevels. Need to sand, drill, or engrave? It handles that too. 7 inches wide, 3 pounds. This is the mini workshop your desk has been waiting for, and it's a game changer for DIY models and small craft projects. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Vibration fatigue is real. After an hour of demo work, your hands are numb, your control is gone, and that's when mistakes happen. This is the Skill 13-amp reciprocating saw, and it hits hard without destroying your grip. Buzzkill technology cuts vibration by up to 35%. Variable speed trigger gives you full control. Rips through wood, pipe, steel, even nail-embedded boards like they're nothing. Toolless blade swap. Oversized grip built for serious job site use. This doesn't just cut material, it makes demolition work actually manageable. Still paying someone else to cut your custom designs? That stops today. This is the 2 Trees Pro CNC Router, and it turns your ideas into finished parts right from your garage. Load your file. Tap the 3.5-inch touchscreen. Watch it carve wood, acrylic, even aluminum with closed-loop stepper precision down to microns. Massive 18-inch workspace. Engrave signs, cut panels, build prototypes. Expansion ports let you upgrade to 4-axis or add a laser later. This isn't just a machine. This is your personal production shop, and it pays for itself fast. By the way, everything you've seen so far is linked in the description. Just scroll down and check them out. Think scroll saws are just for hobbyists making crafts? This one will change your mind. This is the Skill 16-inch variable speed scroll saw, and it's built for real precision work. Foot pedal keeps both hands free on the wood the entire time. LED light sits right on your cut line. No shadows, no guessing. Built-in dust blower keeps your line clear as you cut. Dial your speed. Tilt the table up to 45 degrees. Swap blades tool-free in seconds. If you do detailed curves, tight patterns, or fine decorative cuts, this is the tool that makes it look effortless. Here's a painful truth. If your table saw is even slightly out of alignment, every single cut you make is wrong. You just can't see it until the joint doesn't fit. This is the Neotech Digital Dial Indicator Table Saw Gauge, and it takes the guesswork out completely. Slide it into the miter slot, zero it out. Check blade to fence alignment in seconds. Reads down to 0.00005 inches. Switches between inch and millimeter instantly. No more uneven joints. No more recutting the same piece twice. This is how the pros actually tune their saws. Trim and molding cuts should be quick and clean. Instead, most people are pulling out a full miter saw for a tiny piece of quarter round and still getting splintered edges. There's a smarter way. These are the Gartle miter shears. Set your angle anywhere from 45 to 135 degrees. Slide in your PVC trim, quarter round, or softwood, and squeeze. Clean cut, no dust, no splinters. Perfect joint every time. SK5 steel blade. Built-in angle scale. 2 spare blades included. If you're doing any trim or molding work, this is the tool that makes every corner look professional. You spent hours building a clean cabinet. Then the edge banding goes on, and suddenly it looks rough, uneven, and cheap. All that work ruined by one detail. This is the Ratchet Tool Edge Banding Trimmer, and it slices banding clean in one smooth pass. Handles straight edges and curves without a problem. Built-in chamfer grooves give you that clean finish look automatically. Sharp stainless blade that you can resharpen. Heavy-duty nylon base with zero wobble. Grip it, glide it, done. No chipping, no uneven edges. If clean cabinet lines matter to you, this is the one detail tool that makes everything look pro. A loud air compressor, a tangled hose, and a nail gun that needs a PSI check every 20 minutes. That's the old way. This is the Bosch 18-volt brushless 18-gauge brad nailer, and it kills all of that. Cordless, no hose, no compressor. Load up to 105 brads and go. Depth adjustment right at your thumb. Switch between single shot and bump fire instantly. Low recoil. Dual LED lights for working in tight spaces. Tool-free jam clearing on the spot. Trim work, cabinet assembly, decorative installs. This is pneumatic-level power without any of the mess. Glue-ups are supposed to bring your project together. Instead, panels slip, pressure goes uneven, and you're fighting the clamp the whole time. If your glue-ups keep failing, it's not the glue, it's the clamp. This is the LKT 3/4-inch pipe clamp fixture, and it's a genuine game-changer for furniture builders. Thread it onto any 3/4-inch pipe and instantly create a custom-length clamp. Big panel, long tabletop, slide, lock, crank, done. Heavy-duty cast iron body. Lead screw drives serious pressure for tight glue joints. Spring quick release for fast adjustments. You get 4 in a pack. Stronger holds, cleaner builds. If you build furniture, these need to be in your shop. That's all 12 tools for today. If any of these caught your eye, the links are sitting right there in the description. Fastest way to check prices or grab one. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Value Bite. We drop new tool videos every week. See you in the next one.